Yes, today let's talk about income tax refund checks. Yes, because I know a lot of people are anxiously awaiting to file their taxes so they can get them big fat refund checks that they've been expecting all year long. Boy, I tell you. But I want you all to look at it a different way today, okay? Show me someone who's expecting a big fat income tax check refund. I'll show you someone who has given the IRS an interest-free loan all year long. That's right. You know, when you get that money back, those checks, that's not a bonus. That's your own money. In other words, you paid too much. You paid more than your fair share. It's called an overage. That's why you're getting it back. And hopefully, you have a smart accountant that can actually get you back all what you paid in. But first of all, you should never be in that position. You should never pay more than your fair share to the IRS. That's right. No more, no less. See, because it's really, really bad and it's poor tax planning. No wonder the big shot, the so-called small people who are in Congress, no wonder they think that the average American is just dumb and stupid. Because so many of us is getting big fat income tax checks back. Yeah, it makes us all look bad. You should be zeroing out or getting no more than $500 back when you file your return. Anything more than that, you really, really need to consult with an accountant, someone that can help you to withhold, to work on your allowances and adjust your W-4. You really have to do that. Imagine, I'm going to tell you, when you get them checks back, imagine going into the grocery store and buying some grocery. Let's say you go in there because you got to pick up a few items. And let's say you got to pick up, some milk and orange juice or something, and it costs $10. And as you get to the cashier, you give the cashier $20. And the cashier, after she gives you your $10 back change, and you tell the cashier, no, 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 I want you to keep that for me and hold it for me for a whole year. When I come back and claim it, then I want you to give me all my money back. Now, wouldn't that be just silly? That's the same thing you're doing when you purposely, intentionally have more money withheld out of your paycheck and given to the IRS for a whole year. And the IRS pays you absolutely no interest at all. And then you get it back in an income tax refund check. That's bad. I mean, what were we back in the 1800s? I mean, we're free. We got to do better than that. If you expect to be handling, you want to get more money, you got to be good with the small things before you can be good with big things. You can pray all you want to, but until you start handling your money and being good stewards of your money, it's impossible. You're not going to get more money because a fool and their money is surely pard. Now, a lot of you all say y'all do that because you can't manage money well. And it's a forced savings. Because if you get your money, you're going to spend it on frivolous things. But let me tell you something. Let me give you an idea. All you got to do is set up an automatic savings and investment plan with your employer. That's all you got to do. Have them deduct, let's say $100, $200, or $4 or $5, whatever. Have them deduct a certain amount every pay period and put it into a savings and investment plan for you where you have access to it. And if you tell them, you can just act like you don't have it and just get it once a year. That's still, you'll get some interest, but it'll be better than getting absolutely zero interest that you'll be getting from the IRS. Think about it. Those income taxes, it's not free money. I mean, you didn't win the lottery. It's your own money. I mean, it's like planting Easter eggs in your backyard today. And then 1 year later, trying to remember where you put all your Easter eggs so you can get them back. And then if you do find some of those eggs, you got a good memory, being happy and elated, remember, they're your own eggs. You planted them there. Just like that's your own money. When you get back your income tax, man, that's your own money. And you missed the boat. You needed that money throughout the year. Think about it, especially during these economic times. I know you needed that money. What do you do? Tell a bill collector, wait till I get my income tax money? No. That's bad planning. I want you to do better because you can do better. And we live in the greatest country right now, okay? Everybody got to count their pennies and tighten up and be aware. If you don't know what to do, give me a call. Let me know what you think. Peace.